Hi ladies and gentlemen, where I am now is the Zhongshan Ronghao Da Lighting Company. Here we can see they're mainly focused on stage lights. Let's go and find out some products of them. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the first product I realized is very attractive. This we call is stage light. The main point of this is like we use different materials to make it. Here we get the lens of different shapes, and this is the PBS and this is the PP plastic. So what attracts me most is I found is Bluetooth control, and also I can plug in the USB to get the MP3 because it's voice control. We can play the music as well as it can give the different shape color of the following the music as well. Alright, so we got two colors of it. One is for golden and one is for silvery. And this is the most popular product in the market. Alright, so let's move on to the second one. This is their hot style products, and we call it stage light. We can see they can change the color in different ways. We can use the remote to control it as well as use the Bluetooth to control it. We can apply this one into our home or even on the stage. It can give you a best phenomenon of like enjoying the festival. And this one is very light, and it can circulate the heat perfectly. And let's check the background of it, the housing of it. The material of the housing is plastic, so it can circulate the heat perfectly. So this is the second product I want to introduce to you. And now let's go into see more products of them. Let's go. Alright guys, here we go. We got something special for you. Let's see, there is some balls spinning around here and giving the lights just like the stream flowing all around the mountains, it seems like. And the shape, the figure of the ball seems to be an UFO. It got the idea from the astronauts exploring the universe. So it seems to be like we are in the universe, but not just in darkness, but also in the starry sky. All right, so this is the best sell product as well. And let's move on to the next one. And this is the stage ball. We can see they got different colors as well as we get different effects from the shape, from the color of the light. And here I realize there is a studio right here. We can get the sound, we can plug in our USB, it can change the effect of the light. So it seems to be a very good partner for our festival together with our family. Alright, that is so much about my introduction about our Ronghao Da Lighting Company. If you are interested in our product and want to get more catalog and quotation, do remember to leave a message below or scan the QR code at the end of the video. That comes to you as soon as possible. See you next time.